Alright guys, here we go. We will go through the list in alphabetical order. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe of course as you're tuning in. And let's go. BBAI. Let's start off with this one. BBAI wasn't bad. We had this bit of a wedge. The only problem is that we had a little, lighter volume, right? A little lighter volume was the issue. So this huge wedge right here did break out. This was beautiful. This was lovely. Break a VWAP. But we never really gained real volume. Our best candle was about 169,000 shares of volume. We didn't quite get over high of day, and from there it sold off. I attempted trades going up right here in this range, did not quite get to see it. That was BBAI. Moving on, GROM, and by the way, that was continuation. GROM minus $12. Another stock that I attempted a red to green on. Pre-market highs were up there around 214. We're coming in. We get this bit of a V-shaped red to green that starts to happen. This particular trade, let's pull up the show trades here. This particular stock, we just didn't quite get to see the follow through, man. We're in a little late towards the highs. We're in for that break of 95, hoping for a break of $2. No good. It pulls back. And so, just one quick trade on that one and nothing more. So, not much. JSPR. One of our better stocks here today, up 670. Let's see. Pre-market highs were around 250. We held $2 here coming into the open. These were daily levels that I had drawn out on this one from previous moves, right? Prior days. We rip over 2 on this steady move, and then on this pullback here, we take off. I traded this stock very actively, as you guys will see, 150,000 shares. Your boy Relentless with the Relentless scalps. Let's put on those show trades to show you guys how much this charting is marked up with me getting in and out over and over. There's a few ways to get it done, and this is one of them. We just had a conversation with some of the guys there in chat, and we have a few people who are taking less trades and holding longer, but I'm scalping this thing the entirety of the way, utilizing the free commissions as best as I can. Who knows? Maybe commissions come back tomorrow and then we start taking 5 trades a day, right? But yeah, JSPR just goes and we just go with it. As it makes a move, a new high, we're in. We're taking trades. And in this pullback area here, I wanted to be in lower and, ride the wave up. And we ultimately did that. We did catch a decent trade here around 951 area. Let's take a look at this. 951. Let's see. We had a decent trade in there. So we're in at 31, 32, 33. And we wanted to see this. We wanted to see this extend. And, this is what that conversation in Discord was about. Like being in on this position, but having the confidence to just hold it through. Hold it through unless it breaks those lows. I'm going to keep working on it every day. But, we're in, we're out, we're in, and we're taking gains. And JSPR, man, it paid off, right? At our highs, we were up 800, and we did give back a little off the top, but this false breakout here was pretty nasty as well. It's worth mentioning. This was pretty terrible. You can see it gave this bit of a consolidation, right? And we can zoom in on the other charts so you guys can get a better look. Yeah, we had this bit of a, if you want to say A, B, C, D, right? We come down, we had new lows around 42. It does hold up and it curls up nicely, and it came down so fast, man. This was pretty violent. JSPR. So yeah, moving on. New egg. NEGG. NEGG. Let's get our 5-minute in frame. We can also get rid of this ladder. Show the daily chart and what we were working with there. Yeah, so NEGG wasn't bad. This one also curling up slowly and steadily. And, I felt like some of the better opportunities came a little later after we had this move. So, this one was going in strides, right? Breakout, right? And it started with light volume. We had pullbacks, right? We did have pullbacks. This is worth mentioning here. These 5-minute pullbacks are worth mentioning. Bit of a 3-bar play on the 5. And then again, right here with good, better volume. Bottoming wick. A bit of a longer pullback here, but lovely double bottom around 16. I was in on this trade, sold too soon. Gotta hold some of these trades longer. Then we have a bigger red to green here before it finally comes up. And it does well, right? We do see some longer pullbacks. Again, a bit of an ABCD. High pivot though, high pivot at 65, but we eventually curled through and we gave this extension here. So it turned into a bit of a cup and handle almost, and then we made that high of 309. And some of us thought that it would have held coming back down here into this previous low, right? Previous high of day rather, 280, 285, 287. So from 309, I had an order here and ended up taking a losing trade. This did not hold up. It continued lower. Not what we want to see. But yeah, that was new egg. So we gave back something on the end right there, but kept it tight for the most part. PRAX. PRAX. Is this the one that I'm thinking on? There was a stock today that I made a mistake on. I bought it by accident. This was one of them, I think, that I made a mistake. So I'm watching a TCBP, and I have so many level 2s. This was kind of like a rookie mistake. I'm watching the level 2 that's on my left hand side right here, which is this one, right? I'm watching this one here, and I'm actually taking the trade on this one up top in the middle. And I thought this one also had the stock on it. Now, what was I not on this level 2? I have no idea. I have no idea why I was not on this level 2 here, trading off of it. So that mistake was on my side, and I bought this stock in a place where TCBP would have been a beautiful entry, man. And it is unfortunate to miss the trade, but it happens. But yeah, PRAX on the other hand, we did get a little scalpy with this one as well. We came a little late to the party, but got involved. Was watching at the lows here for the 1 minute candle to make a new high. Unfortunately, we didn't quite see it. This one, was short-lived. 10:07 to 10:22, just a couple of minutes, and then was back down. The volume didn't really quite get in there. You can see even when it started, we had this bit of a topping wick. So $60. And then SHPH, we traded earlier in the morning. One of the trades on this stock was off screen. So let's get zoomed in here. We can see that we had this huge ABCD pattern going on in after hours and pre-market, right? Higher lows, which is great. We had our pivot at 240, and into the open it rips. Well, initially into a bit of a doji candle, then it gives a better opportunity. And we're long in this green candle here, making some gains. We were up 110. And then I believe we bought the pullback trying to get the new high, and we sold for another small winner. So SHPH, guys, it was a full day today, a full day of trading. Full day of trading, man. So that's pretty much the recap, right? Our first trade in at 73 out of 81. Then we're back in at 70. This one was a scratch trade. Where's that next winner? In at 75 out of 77. And then a scratch trade. So yeah. And you can see the size. So we're in a couple of times here. Let's come back to our cursor. We're in a couple of times in 72. Let's see, 72, 72, 78. So we're in a whole bunch here, and we're trying to get that push through the highs, man. But, majority of those exits. Let's see, we got exits at 79, 83, 83, 76. So, a lot of these trades, man, you got to be confident and you got to be willing to hold. You got to be confident and you got to be willing to hold. Why is that happening? I wonder. Okay, yeah. We got to pull this down. I don't, like E-Trade is underneath here. Can we pull this down to where it's probably... Okay, there we go. Yeah, so that was the day, guys. Hit that thumbs up button once again. If you are a new viewer, consider subscribing. I go live each and every weekday morning around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So tune in, check in, sign up. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's get it done. Every day, man. Every day I am the most transparent trader on YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, Relentless is here to stay. Relentless is here to stay and to continue pushing, to continue to make progress. I am, of course, have a great weekend. Signing out.